Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could fill your entire home with rich, immersive sound without the hassle of complicated wiring or bulky equipment? The Sonos 5 is here to change the game, offering a wireless multi-room system that's as easy to use as it is powerful. With its sleek design and compact footprint, this speaker can fit seamlessly into any room, providing a tactile experience that's both stylish and sophisticated. The texture of the speaker's exterior is smooth to the touch, inviting you to explore its intuitive controls. As a top-rated product, the Sonos 5 has been well reviewed by many customers who have experienced its exceptional sound quality firsthand. One of the key benefits of this system is its ability to produce a wide range of frequencies, from deep bass notes that rumble and vibrate through your entire body, to crisp, clear highs that seem to dance in the air. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks, the sound is always rich and immersive, with a depth and complexity that draws you in and refuses to let go. In real-life use cases, the Sonos 5 excels in its ability to fill large spaces with sound, making it perfect for parties, gatherings, or everyday listening. The wireless connectivity means you can place the speaker anywhere, without worrying about cords or cables getting in the way. The included warranty documentation provides peace of mind, knowing you're protected in case anything goes wrong. With the Sonos 5, you can enjoy seamless, high-quality sound throughout your home, and its ease of use makes it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their audio experience. Overall, the Sonos 5 is a great investment for anyone looking to elevate their home audio, and with its impressive features and benefits, it's no wonder it's a popular choice among music lovers. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.